Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this curvy cut crease. So this is the main focus of today's makeup look tutorial. I really want to teach you how to do this. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first always prime my eyelids. I never skip this step. This will remove redness from the eyelid and it's going to make sure that your eyeshadow is going to stay flawless all day. Then after that, I went in with this brown color, which is kind of like a reddish brown. It has a really beautiful orangey brick kind of undertone. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's really pretty. And I start blending this in the crease area. With today's eye look, I focus like straight in the crease, and then I went in with a shade which is slightly darker and blending this on top of it. You can drag this line as far as you want towards the outer part of your eyelids. I'm really focusing in the crease area, not going like all the way towards the outer part of the eyelid. I'm really focusing like straight in my crease. And then I went in with some concealer and a flat brush. I use a concealer which is by MAC Cosmetics. It's the Pro Longwear concealer, which I have been using for years and years to create my cut creases. And it's my favorite because it dries really nicely. And also, if you go on top of it with more concealer, it's not gonna look crazy or weird, not gonna get a really nice consistency. It's just gonna stay the way it is. So I really like it because I always notice I can create really sharp cut creases, and my eyeshadow on top of it will look really good during the day. So yeah, I have been using it for years and it's my personal favorite. I know a lot of people use other concealers for their cut creases, but this is my personal favorite. And of course, I will make sure to put all the products in the description bar. So this is the shape that we're having right now, but I want to create that curvy cut crease. So I'm gonna drag the concealer a little bit further and create that winged shape at the end, which is gonna create that curve, which is really nice. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going in with some white eyeshadow. If you recreate this makeup look, you don't have to use a white shade. You can actually use any shade that you like. You could use even a golden shade, a nice shimmery color. I went for a matte white color because I wanted to kind of keep this makeup look soft and basic, because I really wanted the focus to be on the crease situation. But you can definitely give your own twist to this. So now I went in with a dark brown color, blending this all the way underneath the lower lash line. This kind of has the same undertone as the crease darkness, so I decided to go in with a similar shade underneath the lower lash line and just blend it out. Then now I went in with a lash curler and I used some mascara. I used the Maybelline Sky High mascara, which is my current favorite drugstore mascara. And then after applying the mascara, I also went in with some fake lashes. Oh, first I applied some pencil in the waterline. I used a pencil from Colourpop, which is such a beautiful warm brown color, and it goes really well with the eyeshadow underneath. And then I also went in with a little bit more of that white shade that I used on top of the eyelid and popped a little bit more of that in the inner corner. Then now I went in with my own Annytude lashes in the style Sultry, and I applied this straight above the lash line, and then using a tweezer to kind of press the lash band against the skin above my lash line. And these are quite dramatic, these lashes, but I felt like because I have so much eye space, or how could I say it better? I have not really like a special eyeshadow on the eyelid, so sometimes I find it weird to apply really dramatic lashes because it kind of covers up the eyeshadow. But since I used a really basic light shade on top of the eyelid, I thought, let me just use some more dramatic lashes. And yeah, this is the final result. I really hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. And yeah, I hope this video helped you something. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!